In general, if you are not working and you're injured at a construction site, you can still sue the people that caused the negligence, which could be the contractors at the scene of the accident who are working in the construction site. It might be the site safety manager also. There are multiple parties that are potentially liable. You need to contact an experienced, competent construction accident attorney as soon as possible after the accident so that all possible avenues for defendants are uncovered.